Our universe. The universe. Our Earth is a tiny speck in the vast universe. The universe is a vast expanse of space. Space contains various heavenly bodies like the stars, the constellations, the sun, the planets and the moon. It also contains dust, gases and pieces of rocks. The stars. A star is a huge ball of hot burning gases. It gives out heat and light. There are millions of stars in the universe. They are very far away from us. That is why they look so small. The constellations. The night sky is filled with groups of stars and they appear to make patterns in the sky. These groups of stars are called constellations. Some of the well-known constellations are Leo, Ursa Major, also called the Great Bear, or Orion. The Sun. The Sun is a star at the center of the solar system. It is a huge ball of hot gases. It is much bigger than the Earth. All the planets move around the Sun. The Sun is important for us because it gives us heat and light. It is an important source of energy. Plants prepare food in the presence of sunlight. The planets. Planets are heavenly bodies that revolve around the Sun. They move around the Sun on a set path known as orbit. They do not produce heat or light of their own but reflect the light of the Sun. Planets do not twinkle, but shine with a steady light. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury. It is the smallest planet and is nearest to the Sun. Mercury has no moons or satellites. Venus. It is known as the twin planet of the Earth as it is almost of the same size as the Earth. It is the brightest and hottest among all planets. It is also known as morning star and evening star. Earth. It is the third planet from the Sun and the only planet that supports life. 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. It is also known as blue planet. It has only one moon. Mars. It is also known as the red planet and it is the 4th planet from the Sun. It has 2 moons. Jupiter. It is the largest of all planets. It has many moons. It is made primarily of gases and is therefore known as a gas giant. Saturn. It is known as the ringed planet and is as large as Jupiter. It has many moons. Uranus. It is the 7th planet from the Sun. It is the only planet which rolls on its sides, on its axis. Uranus is also encircled by many rings and moons. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. It has moons and faint rings around it. Neptune. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. It has moons and faint rings around it. Ursa Major. Orion. Venus. Uranus. Neptune. Saturn. The Moon. It is the closest neighbor of the Earth and the brightest object in the night sky. It has no light of its own but reflects the light of the Sun. It is the natural satellite of the Earth.